Hello everybody, welcome back to Stagnant Valley's ESL Corner. Today we are going to do a conversation that takes place in a museum. I will be doing part of the conversation as well as Matthew, my lovely assistant. In this conversation, you will have different examples of comparatives and superlatives, which we already discussed before for the grammar concept. And you will also have examples of modal, like I would like and would you like in the conversation. As usual, at the end of the conversation, you will have some vocabulary on the board to review what was said in our discussion. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Good afternoon, welcome to our museum. How may I help you?
I would like a ticket, please, but I don't know which one to buy. Can you help me, please?
Absolutely. How many tickets do you need? This will help me determine the best option for you.
It's just me. One ticket.
Okay, great. Would you like to stay for a full day or half a day?
I would like half a day.
Okay, for half a day, there are three prices. The visitor ticket is $12 and you have access to all the basic art exhibitions and the garden. It is the cheapest.
That sounds cool. What are the other options?
The next one is the adventurer and the ticket is $15. And you have access to all the rooms, the basic art exhibit and the 3D virtual space as well. And the most expensive, the VIP ticket is $25. You have access to everything that I mentioned and you will receive a tote bag with the museum's logo on it.
Wow, there are many options. I'm a student as well. Do I get a discount?
Yes, if you are a student, you get a discount, but I need ID to prove it.
Yes, here it is. So, which option should I choose?
As you are a student, the most recommended option, in my opinion, is the adventurer. It's the best deal for the price. The museum closes at 10 p.m., so you have plenty of time to visit.
Awesome! I will go for your recommendation. Do you take credit cards?
Yes, we do. The payment is done. Here is your ticket.
Thanks. And if I want to eat, where can I have a snack for a lunch? I would like to eat before I go walk around.
There is a cafeteria just around the corner that serves the best food. There is also a guided tour that is starting at 1 p.m. It is in about 30 minutes.
Oh, marvelous! I would love to participate. Is it free? Do I have to pay extra?
No, the tour is included in the purchase of your ticket. Do you have any other questions?
No, I'm all good, thanks. I'll go eat now. I'm starving.
Okay, well, I'm happy that I could help you. I wish you the best on your visit. Have a great afternoon.
Thanks, you too.
So, I hope that you enjoyed our conversation in a museum. And as usual, here are some expressions from this conversation. The first one that we have is how may I? So may is a modal that we typically use for permission or to ask a very polite question. Example, how may I help you? I would like or I would love to express a preference, very, very polite. The best or the cheapest, again, superlative that we saw in our previous video. That sounds cool when something is supposed to be good, or it sounds cool, it sounds pleasant. The most expensive, another example of a superlative, and a tote bag, which is a small bag typically made of cotton and very, very simple. The next category that we have here, we have as well, so in addition, as well. Get a discount, so when you have a reduced amount of money for a price or an object. ID, so this is the contraction of identification, ID. Should, the modal for a recommendation. The most recommended, again, a superlative. A snack, so a small portion of food. And finally, I'm starving when you are very, very hungry. So these were the expressions from our museum conversation. If you would like to go back and listen to the conversation again and try to practice these expressions, You can also practice with people around you, friends and family. As usual, you can like this video and subscribe and also leave a comment. We will see you in our next video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye!